I feel like I've failed. I set up this YouTube channel to show you things like the restoration. I got this cool old newspaper machine. I could open it, but it's stacked with old newspapers I've got. I gave it a, a semi-restoration. And I get so excited when I find a project and I think, all right, I'm going to get it home. I'm going to video it. I want to show you what I did on it. And then I get it home and I blow right past the videoing and I just start in on it. And I need to go back and try to splice together videos of things like fixing this up. Things like I got this egg chair a while back and it was pretty rough, hammered up. And I brought it back, to somewhat life here. And I need to go back and through and splice together a little video and show you that. I got this cool 1970s radio and I went, oh, I gotta show everybody. I'm gonna video me tearing it apart, getting the 8-track working. But it's an 8-track. It's a Weltron. 2001 was the model number, probably for 2001 Space Odyssey, I guess. But this would have been a portable unit you could have taken with you. You could have plugged it into a car outlet. It had a 12 volt that would have ran it. It has external speakers, things like that. But I took some pictures when I had it all tore apart. It plays. But now the 8-track works. I had to put a new belt in there. So again, I didn't sit there with the camera rolling the whole time while I was restoring it or refurbishing it or whatever you wanted to call it. But I'll do better. I promise to do better. Well, here I am tapping on this table. This table was pretty cool. I think it's from the 60s. I found somebody had it. And it was like the egg chair, rough, scuffed up. It needed a good cleaning. Needed some touch up on the edges. I took some short videos and took some photos, but I need to put that together in a more cohesive video for you so you could see it. What else? Check this out. Found this in a thrift store and, gave it a restoration. Got the greenery for it. Painted her up, got the oil going again, new strings. I'll go back and I'll see if I can find a video or several videos I took when I had it all tore apart and put it together. But I got to do better. I got to do better on filming while I'm working on it, so you guys can see some of the restoration projects that I like to showcase on this YouTube channel. All right, that's my commitment. I'll do better.